friends, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 10th anniversary of the Sew Sampler box right here. And I'm going to share with you my thought and this quilt behind me that you see here, Sew Along, that we just completed for the 2025-26 year. It is the flower and quilt along. I used Tulip Pink to sew it. And in case you haven't sewn yours, this will give you a little bit of inspiration of what fabric you want to use. With that said, I just want to talk about that because I know you're going to ask me. Let's dive in and open our 10th anniversary of the Sew Sampler box right here in my hand. So the first thing out of this box, I picked in a little bit because I was so excited to see what it looks like. Typically I don't, but I did. I already opened it right here and it's bursting. So let's go right on ahead and talk about it. Right off, this is what it says. Summer Sunset 2026. Typically every year at the beginning of the Sew Along for the Sew Sampler box for kickoff, they usually give more coupon than usual. This one has multiple coupons. It has really good coupon actually, in my humble opinions. This is what it looks like right here. So it's talking about a 10th year, and then this is a free pattern should you not be interested in the exclusive pattern that comes in this box. And then right here, they're talking about they're going to be bringing out their 12 popular exclusive pattern from the vault. They're going to be including it in each month's box. So I am anxious to see what they are, and I'm thinking I joined the Sew Sampler box 3 years into the Sew Sampler box being in existence was when I started receiving the box. So it's been a long time. So instead of having one exclusive pattern, you're going to get two for the next 12 months. This lets us know what are in the box for this month. With that said, the first thing in our box is this commemorative right here. It is a Sash and Store. You know what? This is so funny. It matches the quilt behind me. Very cute. You can kind of take it off and clean it if it gets gunky. The price for this right here is going to be $14.95. So the next thing in our box, there are multiple projects within this box that are attainable, not large, just something small that you can work on. This is the June Taylor. It's kind of like a sewing table caddy. This is called the Pretty Pocket Sewing Machine Caddy. Quilt as you go. You use this as your template. You sew on it. It really is a sew as you go. There's an instruction here that tells you how to place your fabric and how to sew it. You do not iron on this. This is a project that you can sew in an afternoon. Price for that right there is $12.98. The next thing in our box is a special 10-year anniversary Alpha Beaties. Okay, I think I have this in every color by now. Everything is kind of on theme. So you have this color right here, and then you have this Alpha Beaties. So this is what they look like right here. This is a specialty marking tool, Sew Sampler limited edition. So I think this is only available if you get the box. I don't think they're going to sell this at their store. This is what they look like, right? Very on theme. The price for this right here is $7.48. Factwater Shop started putting the paper good in like a Ziploc baggie just in case the box get damaged. Your pattern will be in there and they won't get damaged. They will be in the Ziploc baggie. This is something that I noticed from the last box. Okay. In this box, you have a special sticker right here, and it's a heart. I love stickers, and that it's a bonus item. It is $2.98. Next thing we have three patterns. Okay, one from the vault. This one was from 2022, and this is the first one that they're going to include in our box for this year. So the next thing we have is our new Sew Along that we are going to be starting for the new 2026/27. So this is our first one right here. This is what it looks like. This is called Ring Around the Rosy block right here. Very pretty. They're using the Petal and Polka Dots fabric line by Bunny Hill. So that's that. And then last but not least is our exclusive pattern for this month. So this is what it looks like. You're going to be using these fabric right here. So these fabric will go with this. This is called the Honeysuckle Quilt pattern. It is 47 by 47.5 square. The fabric that came with it is the Honey Horizon charm pack. This is a total of 3 charm packs here, and they are worth $37.47. The exclusive pattern is worth $9.98. So we have 3 right here. This is super cute. It's so pretty. This would be nice for a backing right here. I'm just gonna go through, I'm not gonna open it. I'm just gonna kind of go through it so you can see. A white on white kind of fabric. This one right here is kind of like a very subtle pink, like a medallion looking. Green colorway. Oh, this is pretty for like a binding. And then you have right there, this is kind of like a coral color of it. I'm just showing the different colorway. This is what the colorway looks like for this one. It's kind of mustardy. And then you can come over here to pink. This is what her pink look like. And then you come over here to like a rusty red right here. And then you have this color right here. And then you have this darker color right here. So it's still floral, but it's a little bit modern. It's not your typical traditional floral fabric. So if you're not into like floral fabric, this will be good for you. It's nicely done. I like it. And with that said, this right here is $37.44. The pattern is $9.98. And so you have this block of the month right here. It is $4.98. And so this brings us to the end of the unboxing of our April 2026 Sew Sampler box. Let me know down below. Let me know what you think. If you love it, if you don't, I think it's a pretty good box, but I want to know what you think. 10 years is a long time. If my kid is 11, he's only 1 year older than the Sew Sampler box. So it's been a long time. It's a milestone. And I think Fat Quarter Shop is doing amazing with always coming out with ideas. It may not be what you love. You can't please everybody. That's why I want to know what you guys think. So let me know what you think down below. Until next time, I would love to see you in my next video.